Hi, boys and girls. So we're going to look at Math Day 2 for Week 10. Please make sure you're on Math, Class Pages, Week 10. We are still talking about area. Remember, area is counting all the boxes in the center to see how many are. But if there is no boxes, you would count, you would do multiplication. You would do length times width. So if there's 7 going across and 9 going down, you would do 7 times 9 to find the area. So as always, you have your Khan Academy videos that you must do. So first, do the Khan Academy video for this. And it's about distributive property. Remember, in class, we spent so much time on distributive property. And if you remember, I'll show you real quick, just in case you forget, but a lot of you loved it and we spent so much time. Remember if you had a multiplication problem that was too hard for you, like 8 times 7? Do you remember how we broke down the 8 and did 5 plus 3 equals 8, and then we dropped down the 7, then we dropped down the 7. We did this to make it easier. 5 times 7 equals 35. 3 times 7 equals 21. And then when you added them, you got your answer. Do you remember doing distributive property? Well, that's what this assignment is going to be about. And if you don't remember, Khan Academy is here for you to help you. So you should all know, because you guys were experts when we did it in class. We spent like 4 weeks on distributive property. So I'm very confident that you should be good with that. All right. So as always, you have your assignment here in front of you, but you could click on the Word document. Make sure you click Enable Editing so that you're able to type in the document. So that yellow bar right there, click on that. All right, so as always, you could type your name on the top for me. Before you begin, be sure to watch the Khan Academy tutorial and video called Area and Distributive Property. Then read and complete the problem below. Make sure you restate and respond to the questions as needed. Okay, so use what you learned about the distributive property from the Khan Academy video today and write your equation for this below. All right, so these are just down below. There's examples, again, of how to do distributive property, what I just showed you on my paper. But here is where you're going to write your answer. So you're literally doing one thing right here. You only have one question. Write the distributive property equation for this. And they already broke it down for you. You know how the problem for this one is really 4 times 6. But instead, they already broke down the 6 into 2 and 4. So if you remember, so you would have your bigger number, and they broke it down to 2 plus 4. And then if you remember, we dropped down the 4. Then we do this. We write our answer. Then we do 4 times 4, and we get our answer. And the last step was adding. And then we write our answer. And do you remember how we were supposed to write it? Really, what we're supposed to write is 4 times 2 plus 4 times 4. Do you remember that? And then you would write your answer. So that's all they're asking you for. I kind of showed you a little bit. All they're asking you is to write the distributive property right here. That's it. Now, if you don't know, your parentheses are on your 9 and your 0. Just use your shift key, hold it down, and then tap on your 9, and it will pop up. So again, your parentheses are right up here. Just be sure to use the shift button when you go to do that. And that's it. All you have is that one simple assignment, one simple question. Bye.